10 mobile apps that can make you money in 2025. Everybody's got a phone in their pocket, but not everybody knows that your phone could literally be paying you. Today, I'm breaking down 10 mobile apps that can put real money in your wallet in 2025. Let's get into it. App No. 1, TikTok Creator Rewards. Yeah, TikTok isn't just for scrolling memes and dance trends. With TikTok Creator Rewards, you get paid for views, engagement, and posting high-quality content. The more people watch, the more you earn. Think of it like turning your creativity into a paycheck. Now, here's how it works. TikTok takes a percentage of the ads sold on its platform and shares it with the creators based on how much watch time their videos get. So, the more views, the bigger the slice of that pie. But that's not all. You can also earn bonuses by completing challenges, participating in events, and getting those sweet creator achievements. Now, when it comes to cashing out, you can use the money you earn for gift cards, super thanks on live streams, or save it up for merch, or even invest it in yourself, like upgrading your gear. Now, TikTok Creator Rewards isn't going to replace a full-time job, but it can definitely add some extra cash to your account, especially if you're already spending time creating content. And with TikTok's growing popularity, now is a great time to jump on board. No to YouTube Shorts. Oh yeah, YouTube is still king when it comes to paying creators. And with YouTube Shorts, you can upload short vertical videos, and if they pop off, you can get ad revenue, brand deals, and even tips from viewers. Now, here's how it works. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, you'll unlock the coveted YPP status, aka the YouTube Partner Program. This gives you access to monetization features like super thanks, super chats, super stickers, memberships, and, ad revenue. As for Shorts specifically, they're eligible for ad revenue once you're in the YPP, and the good news is that you do need to show your face or spend a ton of money on equipment to get started. Just grab your phone, find a good idea, and hit record. Plus, you can turn your passion into profit by promoting your services or products through the Super Thanks feature. YouTube is a goldmine for creators. So get started today and see where your creativity takes you. App No. 3 Upwork. Listen up, freelancers. Upwork connects you with clients worldwide who'll pay you for your skills, whether it's writing, design, coding, or even voiceovers. You set your rates, work remotely, and get paid quickly. It's flexible, it's fast, and it's fantastic. So here's how it works. Create a profile showcasing your skills and experience, and then search for jobs that match your expertise. From there, you can submit proposals to clients and hopefully land the gig. And once you do, you can track your progress, manage your finances, and communicate with clients all within the Upwork platform. One of the best things about Upwork is that it has a built-in payment system, so you don't have to worry about chasing down payments from clients. Plus, it has a robust support team to help you navigate any issues that come up along the way. App number 4, Fiverr. Need something done, like a logo designed, a video edited, or a website coded? Instead of hiring an agency, go to Fiverr and find a talented freelancer willing to do it for you for $5. That's right, Fiverr is where freelancers connect with businesses and individuals looking for their services, and it's a great place to get started. For buyers, you can browse through a wide range of services at various price points, and for sellers, you can create your own gigs and set your prices. It's a win-win situation. App number 5. Instacart. Here's a fun fact. In 2023, the online grocery market was valued at over $100 billion, and it is expected to grow to over $300 billion by 2027. That means there is a lot of money to be made in the online grocery delivery space, and that's where Instacart comes in. Instacart connects shoppers like you with customers who need their groceries delivered. You pick up the groceries, deliver them, and voila, you get paid. It's simple, it's easy, and it's flexible. So here's how it works. Sign up to become a shopper. Choose your own hours and start earning immediately. You'll get paid weekly and can track your earnings and schedule all in the Instacart app. What's more, you can earn bonuses for completing certain orders or shopping during peak hours. Instacart is a great side hustle or a full-time gig if you're looking for a flexible work schedule and the chance to make some extra cash. App number 6, DoorDash. Okay, let's talk about DoorDash, the food delivery app that puts money in your pocket. Dashers like you deliver food from local restaurants to hungry customers, and you can do it all from your phone. Yep, no need to invest in a car or even a bicycle. Your trusty phone and 2 wheels will do just fine. The best part, you get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and choose which restaurants you want to dash for. So here's how it works. Drivers get paid per delivery, plus tips from happy customers and any bonuses or challenges that DoorDash runs from time to time. As a dasher, you'll also get access to perks like free meals, discounts, and even health and life insurance. If you're looking to make some extra cash, have fun and enjoy the freedom of being your own boss, DoorDash might be the perfect app for you. App number 7, Honeygain. Okay, here's an app that pays you to share your internet connection. Yep, you heard that right. You can earn money passively by doing absolutely nothing. With Honeygain, you can get paid in cash or crypto for simply letting the app use a small portion of your internet bandwidth. So here's how it works. You download the app, you install it on your computer, and you let it run in the background. That's it. You can keep your computer on or off, sleep, work, whatever you want. Honeygain will automatically use your internet connection when it's available, and you'll earn money without lifting a finger. And the best part, you can withdraw your earnings whenever you want. With Honeygain, you can turn your unused internet connection into a steady stream of passive income. So why not give it a try and start earning some extra cash today? App number 8, Rakuten. Rakuten is the ultimate cashback app that helps you save money on everything you already buy. From clothes to electronics, groceries to travel, Rakuten has got you covered. So here's how it works. Simply download the app, sign up, and start shopping at your favorite stores. You can either browse through the app for deals or head to your favorite websites, knowing that Rakuten has got your back. When you make a purchase, Rakuten will automatically apply any available cashback offers, and you can track your earnings in the app. And the best part, you can withdraw your cashback earnings in a variety of ways, including PayPal, gift cards, or checks. App No 9, Sweatcoin. Okay, let's talk about an app that actually pays you to walk. That's right. With Sweatcoin, you can earn money by simply taking steps. Yep, every step you take, whether it's walking to work, strolling through the mall, or hiking in the park, you'll earn Sweatcoin, a digital currency that you can later exchange for rewards, discounts, or even cash. So here's how it works. You download the app and link it to your Google Fit or Apple Health account. Then you walk and earn Sweatcoins. You can track your progress in the app and see how many steps you've taken and how much you've earned. And when you're ready to cash out, you can exchange your Sweatcoins for gift cards from top brands like Amazon, Nike, and more. So if you're looking to make some extra cash, stay active, and never waste a step, download Sweatcoin today. App number 10. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a marketplace where people can hire taskers to help them with everyday errands and odd jobs. It's basically like having a personal assistant in your pocket. So here's how it works. Taskers like you can create a profile highlighting your skills and experience, and then search for tasks in your area. From furniture assembly to house cleaning, the possibilities are endless. Once you find a task that interests you, you can submit a proposal and hopefully land the gig. And once you do, you can track your earnings, manage your schedule, and communicate with clients all within the TaskRabbit app. With TaskRabbit, you can be your own boss, set your own hours, and earn some extra cash doing things you enjoy. So why not give it a try and see what TaskRabbit has in store for you? All right, my friends, we've made it to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.